If your phone is stolen, you can locate it within 8 to 24 hours before it's reset, using your Google account. Here's how. First, subscribe to our channel for updates. Make sure that the Google account signed into your stolen device, phone or computer, is one where you have access to the login credentials. If your phone is stolen, quickly log in to your Google account from any other device. It can be a friend's phone, a computer, or any available device with internet access. Next, open a browser and search for Google Find My Device. Click on the link and log in with the same Google account. You will see your stolen device listed. Click on the device, and you'll see its location on the map. You can even use Live Street View to track the exact location. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment with your feedback or ideas. We'll see you next time with more tips from X Solution.